Transforming Education with AI and ISO 21001 Compliance. AI-based Educational Framework. By Pradeep K. Suri. Manuscript. Table of Contents. 1.0 Transforming Education with AI and ISO 21001 Compliance. 2.0 Preface 11. 3.0 Synopsis, AI-driven educational management system based on ISO 21001. 4.0 Introduction to ISO 21001 for Education. 5.0 ISO 21001 and AI/ML in Education. 6.0 The image is a Sankey diagram that visualizes the flow of educational data processing using an AI-driven model. The title at the top mentions. 7.0 This image is a Sankey diagram representing the educational data flow, created by Pradeep K. Suri, who is described as an author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. 8.0 The Python program for the above diagram utilizes the Plotly library to generate a Sankey diagram, visually representing the flow of data in an AI-driven educational management system based on ISO 21001. 28. 9.0 This above image is a Sankey diagram representing the flow of educational data through different processing stages. The diagram is titled. 10.0 The Sankey diagram represents an artificial neural network, in a deep neural network, DNN, structure for educational data processing. Let's analyze it in terms of a DNN architecture. 11.0 About Python program. 12.0 This Python program uses Plotly to create a Sankey diagram that represents a deep neural network, DNN, model for educational data processing. 13.0 This Python Sankey diagram program visually represents a deep neural network, DNN, structure with inputs, hidden layers, and management levels. The program can be extended to provide various reports and graphs based on educational and institutional performance metrics. 14.0 The structured reporting approach ensures compliance with ISO 21001:2018 and enhances decision-making, transparency, and educational quality at all levels. Neural network structure, AI and education sector, ISO 21001. 15.0 This Python program visualizes a deep neural network, DNN, for the education sector using Plotly. It first defines three layers: input nodes, hidden layers, and output nodes. The input nodes represent various student-related parameters. 16.0 From an image management perspective, this Sankey diagram effectively represents the flow of educational data through an AI-based decision system. 17.0 This Python program constructs a deep neural network, DNN, architecture for the education sector, ISO 21001, and visualizes it using Plotly. 18.0 This Python program visualizes a deep neural network, DNN, model using Plotly. It defines an educational sector-specific neural network architecture with 10 input nodes, each representing different student-related factors, example student data, course content, engagement level, etc. The hidden layers contain 8 layers with 6 neurons each, where different activation functions, like ReLU, sigmoid, TAN, etc., are applied to simulate a deep learning model. The output layer consists of 3 nodes representing different management levels: top management, middle management, and operational management, and their respective reports. The program then calculates node positions dynamically for visualization. 60. 19.0 Break down the image you've provided, which appears to depict a deep neural network architecture. 20.0 Applications for the model. 21.0 This Python program defines a deep neural network, DNN, Architecture tailored for the education sector, following ISO 21001 guidelines. 22.0 This Python program constructs a deep neural network, DNN, model specifically for the education sector, following the ISO 21001 standard. 23.0 This Python program defines a deep neural network, DNN, structure tailored for the education sector following ISO 21001 standards. 24.0 The image you uploaded, DNN19.png, visually represents a deep neural network, DNN, model for the education sector based on ISO 21001 standards. 25.0 This Python program visualizes a deep neural network, DNN, model for the education sector using Plotly. 26.0 The image is a performance and trend analysis graph for middle management, displaying department-wise performance scores along with a progress trend line. 27.0 Let's delve deeper into the DNN, deep neural network, depicted in the image for the education sector, ISO 21001, modeled by Pradeep K. Suri. 28.0 The provided image illustrates a deep neural network, DNN, model for the education sector, designed to analyze educational data and potentially make predictions or recommendations. Based on the structure of the network, here are some of the reports and graphs that could be generated using this model. 29.0 Full Python program for strategic, tactical, and operational reports. 30.0 This Python program utilizes Plotly and NumPy to generate interactive visualizations for analyzing performance at 3 organizational levels: strategic, tactical, and operational. It begins by defining 10 key categories, such as education quality, financial performance, risk management, and innovation and research. 31.0 This classic style diagram illustrates organizational performance analysis through a structured, hierarchical representation, attributed to Pradeep K. Suri. 32.0 Analysis of the diagram in the context of ISO 21001 for the education sector and AI. Overview of ISO 21001:2018. 33.0 This structured visualization provides a strategic roadmap for institutions aiming to implement ISO 21001, ensuring continuous improvement and learner-centric education management. 34.0 This document provides a structured explanation of a neural network model designed for educational decision-making based on ISO 21001 standards. It details the input features, activation functions, and outputs that help in generating strategic, tactical, and execution reports for educational institutions. 35.0 Certainly, let's explore how a deep neural network like the one depicted in the diagram could be managed from a business or management perspective. 36.0 Certainly, here are some additional points of view to consider when managing a deep neural network like the one depicted in the diagram. 37.0 Overall context. This diagram visually represents the flow of various factors influencing student learning outcomes. It categorizes these factors into 3 levels: strategic, tactical, and operational. The width of each flow path indicates the relative significance of that factor in the overall process. 38.0 Overall structure. The image presents 2 main components. 39.0 Flow of information. 40.0 Title, Deep Neural Network Representation. 41.0 Overall structure, DNN network. The image illustrates a feed-forward neural network, a common type of deep learning model. It consists of multiple interconnected layers of nodes, each representing a computational unit. Information flows from the input layer through hidden layers to the output layer. 42.0 Deep neural network for the education sector, ISO 21001, model by Pradeep K. Suri. This diagram represents a deep neural network, DNN, model applied to the education sector, based on ISO 21001 standards. It is structured with multiple layers, each performing different activation functions to process student-related inputs and generate management reports. 43.0 reports generated by the above Deep Neural Network, DNN, model. The Deep Neural Network, DNN, for the education sector processes student and academic data to generate insights for various levels of management. Based on the final output layer, the model provides three types of reports. 44.0 Q Python program bar chart with line chart using Plotly and dark background. 45.0 How this works. Bars, sky blue, rightward arrow represent revenue for each month. Line, orange, thick, rightward arrow shows the trend over months. Dark background rightward arrow set using Plotly_dark for better visibility. Interactive hover and zoom rightward arrow easily analyze data points. 46.0 Would you like any modifications, such as adding data labels or customizing colors? 47.0 Python program, bar chart. 48.0 Certainly, let's break down the image, which depicts a deep neural network model for the education sector. 49.0 Sources and related content. This Python program utilizes Plotly to visualize a deep neural network, DNN, designed for the education sector, following the ISO 21001 model. 50.0 The image is a bar chart created using Plotly, visualizing student performance across different subjects. The x-axis represents 5 subjects: math, science, English, history, and computer, while the y-axis indicates scores on a scale of 0 to 100. Each student Amit, Bhavya, Chirag, Divya, and Esha is represented by a distinct color. The bars are grouped by subject, making it easy to compare individual performance within each category. The title of the chart credits Pradeep K. Suri as the author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. January 2025. Thank you.